There's a big fish. Oh my God. There it is. Oh, we're on. Holy moly. Woo! Look at that fish, guys.
You can tell how good that tastes just by looking at it.
Welcome back to Camp Catch, y'all. This is part 2 of my scallop video. We decided to come back out and get a few more. Mary and one of her good friends, Alyssa, are with me. So we're gonna get a few gallons more. And then tonight we're gonna go back and I'll show you how we cook them up. Alright guys, we're on our second day out here scalloping and we're doing really well. But it's lunchtime and Bri was nice enough to give us that snapper she shot yesterday. There it is. We're gonna throw it on the grill. Alright, so we got the fillets covered in a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm just gonna dust them with the Everglades fish and chicken. And they can just go straight on the grill like that. But I do have a skillet attachment on the grill, so I'm not really grilling them. It's more like pan frying them.
Doesn't get much better than snapper speared yesterday.
I know, right?
Thanks, Bri.
Super fresh. Thank you, Bri. Greatly appreciated. It might fit.
Yeah, well, who's that one in the middle? This little one in the middle.
Ooh, smells good already.
Yeah, it does.
That's perfect.
They can smell this right now.
Oh yeah. They can tell by looking.
Yeah, that one's got the most fish. Go ahead.
Fine.
Go ahead. Oh, it's hot. Ooh. Incredible.
Alright y'all, we just finished up with lunch. It was absolutely amazing. Thank you very much, Bri, for the snapper. If you guys haven't ever seen Bri's videos, check out BA Fishing on YouTube. She has some amazing content. We're gonna hop back in and try and finish off this limit. We only get 6 gallons today because there's 3 of us, but yeah, we're about halfway there. And to be honest, if we don't get there, we really don't need too much more. Alright, we've made it back to the house and we're starting dinner. And we're gonna do scallops, like I said, and we're gonna do angel hair pasta. We're not gonna do quite the typical sauteed scallops on angel hair pasta. I'm going to be cooking the scallops in the shell. And as you can see, I am adding a couple extra scallops to each shell. So I got some here that we removed completely so that we could, you know, get at least a mouthful for every shell. So we'll do 3 in each one. Should be just about the right amount. And then we've got some melted butter here, and that is a combination of regular salted butter and Kerrygold's herb butter. And I will just kind of dabble each one. Alright, the next thing we're going to add is a pinch of seasoned breadcrumbs and a smaller pinch of Parmesan cheese. And then when we bake them, they'll get a little bit of a crispy edge on top from the breadcrumbs and the Parmesan. And we've got the oven preheated to 400, and we're going to slide them in for about 10 or 11 minutes. Or at least we'll check them after 10 minutes, and if they need a little bit more, then we'll leave them in a little longer, but should be right about that. Alright guys, a few minutes later, we gave it an extra 3 minutes or so. They're all starting to crisp up now, and I think it's probably a good time to take them off. Get them out of there so they can be seen. Alright guys, it's all finished up.